हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे इंडियन ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्रीज के बारे में। इंडियन ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री जो है वो फैसिनेटिंग सिग्निफिकेंट सेक्टर है, डीपली इंटर विद द कंट्रीज ट्रेडिशन, वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट एंड कंज्यूमशन पैटर्न, है ना। सो यहाँ पे जो भी इंडस्ट्री के जो फोकसिंग ऑन इंडिया के जो टोटल लिस्टेड ज्वेलर्स हैं उसके बारे में एक कंप्लीट ओवरव्यू जो है वो डिस्कस करेंगे, है ना। एंड दिस ऑल प्रेजेंटेशन इज ओनली फॉर द नॉलेज पर्पस, ठीक है। सो इंडिया का जो मेन जो ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री है जो है वो उसका मेन सिग्निफिकेंट है कि ये जो है वो एक कंट्री के ट्रेडिशन, वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट एंड कंज्यूमशन पैटर्न से जुड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है ना। द कल्चरल सिग्निफिकेंस एंड इंडस्ट्री ड्राइवर for the centuries, India have purchased gold and diamond jewelry, considering it a crucial part of family legacy and the wealth. Family क्या करते हैं? Often assess their wealth based on the jewelry holding, which are passed down to the next generations. ठीक है? Traditional importance क्या है? Even today, especially in the village, tier 2, tier 3 cities, the desire to buy jewelry remain very strong. क्या है? India is a unique in the bride still prefer to wear extensive jewelry for the wedding, with multiple set being created for the occasion from both the brides and the groom families. Diamonds are the girl's best friend. The industry is significantly driven by the purchase made by women. Wedding, more than 50% of the jewelry demand is generated by wedding, which are major event for the India household, involving substantial expenditure on jewelry. This tradition of gifting jewelry to the bride is a significant trigger for the purchases. Festival and occasion, beyond wedding, फेस्टिवल है, ओकेशंस है, वहां पे भी जो है वो दैट ड्राइव द न्यू ज्वेलरी परचेसेस. Fashion and discretionary spending, a newer trend see Generation Z and X buying fashion jewelry for the office wearer, smaller parties, and the functions, indicating a steady increase in demand for the uh, jewelry as a wealth increase in India. Jewelry through non-discretionary becomes a preferred item for spending discretionary income. Many seniors also believe in investing a small portion of saving in the jewelry regularly. Investment in the gold. Indian housewives have been rewarded handsomely for investing in the gold and gold jewelry, as the gold prices have steadily rising over the century. Households are among the largest owners of the gold globally. Growth rate. Analysts estimate jewelry industry जो है growing at above nominal GDP growth rate of 8 to 9%. Market size and structure जो है वो economic. The jewelry industry is currently worth $90 billion, contributing 3% to India का GDP. Organized versus unorganized, a key characteristic is two-thirds of the industry is unorganized and comprising smaller mom and pop shops, and the remaining one-third is only organized. Shift, shift to organized player, the focus of the listed players and the industry's evolution is on the increasing the market share of the organized player from the unorganized sector. Titan's rule. Titan was the pioneer entering the market about 20 to 25 years ago when entire industry was unorganized. They built a business on principle of honesty and transparency, achieving significant success, creating immense value for the past 25 to 30 years. Following Titan's lead, Titan success, many new regional and national players have emerged, adopting a similar approach of transparency, good quality, great design, and the network expansions. Government regulation and emerging trend. Hallmark rule, a significant government regulation effective from the June 16/2021 mandates that all the gold jewelry must be hallmark. This means jewelry must be inscribed with carat purity. Example 21, 18, 16, and a specific number with purity assurance from the hallmarking agency. Advantage for the organized player. This rule provides a substantial advantage to organized player whose sales pitch often emphasizes genuine and hallmark certified jewelry with no adulterations. Smaller, unorganized jeweler find hallmarking difficult and expensive. Non-hallmark jewelry can result in a fine of 5 times the jewelry's value or 1 year of imprisonment for the shopkeepers. Lab grown diamonds, while mainstream in the country, lab grown diamonds are slowly gaining traction in India. जो है लैब ग्रोन डायमंड जो है वो स्लाइटली जो है वो उसमें जो है वो मोमेंटम जो है वो गेन हो रहा है. ऑर्गेनाइज रिटेल प्लेयर्स आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू इवेंचुअली स्टार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड सेलिंग लैब ग्रोन डायमंड ज्वेलरी. Cost reduction and market expansion. Lab grown diamonds significantly reduce the cost of the jewelry price. A set worth of 10 lakh with original diamonds could be only 2-3 lakh with the lab grown diamond. The cost reduction opens a new large market for the jewelry companies and could boost their bottom lines. Key listed jewelry players. The this पैन इंडिया ब्रांड्स एंड इंटरनेशनल. टाइटन जो है वो अ पैन इंडिया ब्रांड विथ इट्स तनिष्क स्टोर अक्रॉस टायर 1 cities and gradually expanding into tier 2. It is renowned for its focus on the brand trust, setting up a strong business system. Titan is also expanding rapidly overseas, particularly in the Middle East. Its jewelry division is the main profit and the growth driver. कल्याण ज्वेलर ओरिजिनली अ प्रोमिनेंट साउथ इंडिया कंपनी है और ये जो है सक्सेसफुली एक्सपेंडिंग पैन इंडिया एग्रेसिवली टू द मिडिल ईस्ट. कल्याण ज्वेलर जो है वो लिवरेजेस न्यूमरस ब्रांड एम्बेसडर इंक्लूडिंग अमिताभ बच्चन, साउथ इंडिया स्टार्स टू बिल्ड एंड trust and the said jewelry. It is well managed with the good advertising strategy. TBZ जो है वो स्मॉलर कंपनी है ना. भीमजी जावेरी की जो कंपनी है, त्रिभुवन दास भीमजी जावेरी, स्मॉलर कंपनी ओनली 1250 करोड़ बट कैटेगराइज्ड विद टाइटन एंड कल्याण ड्यू टू इसका जो है पैन इंडिया प्रेजेंस है एल्बिट विद फ्यूअर स्टोर्स प्राइमली इन द टायर 1 cities जो है वो. Regional players, these companies have a deep-rooted trust in their specific geographical areas, often built over centuries. While they aspire to pan-India presence, they currently focus on their strong regional positions. Their valuations are generally lower than the pan-India players. PN जो है वो PN जो गाडगिल है, strong presence in the Maharashtra for the many years with loyal customer base. Thangamail jewelry जो है approximately 2/3 of revenue comes from the Tamil Nadu. Senco Gold, Kolkata based with significant presence in the East India and the numerous stores. Motitions Jewelers flagship store in the Jaipur, Rajasthan, generating substantial revenue from the region. Radhika Jewel Tech, a Rajkot based company with a large store है, a strong customer loyalty in this एरिया जो है. अदर प्लेयर स्काई गोल्ड एंड डायमंड, नॉट अ रिटेल चेन बट सप्लायर टू अदर ज्वेलरी चेन. इट हैज एन एक्सपोर्ट बिजनेस particularly to US which has been impacted by the Trump tariffs. Investors are advised to wait for the clarity for its operation and scale up before the deep investments. Financial performance and valuations. The prospect of these companies are good with consistently increasing revenue and the bottom line over the many years जो है. किसी भी कंपनी का जो है वो परफॉर्मेंस और वैल्यूएशन डिपेंड करता है कि वो कंसिस्टेंट जो है वो रिवेन्यू इंक्रीज करे और बॉटम लाइन जो है वो नेट प्रॉफिट है उसको भी कंसिस्टेंटली इंक्रीज करे. सो ऑल दिस लिस्टेड कंपनीज फ्रॉम द गोल्ड स्पेस कंसिस्टेंटली रेवेन्यू भी इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं और नेट प्रॉफिट भी जो है वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है. इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द गोल्ड प्राइसेस ऑन द रेवेन्यू. इंडस्ट्री ग्रोथ इज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड नॉट ओनली बाय द वॉल्यूम but also by the value of the gold. As gold prices rises due to rupee depreciations, geopolitical events, the sales value of the gold jewelry, which include gold, precious stones, making charges, automatically increases. Even making charges, precisely stone values can be linked to the rising gold prices. Short term versus long term. While sudden spike in the gold prices can temporarily subdue the demand, a steady rise in the gold prices benefit the industry in the long term. Hedging. Listed player largely hedges their gold, minimize the impact of the price fluctuations on their inventory. Gold schemes. Gold schemes. Many companies offer gold schemes similar to SIP, allowing customer to invest a small amount over the time. Purchases jewelry at the gold prices prevailing when they started the investment. These regulated schemes contributed to increasing companies' earning. Exceptionally quarter result. The June quarter earnings season showed strong result for the jewelry stock outperforming many consumption oriented stock. अभी जो जून क्वार्टर था उसमें जो है वो many जो है वो ज्वेलरी स्टॉक्स है उसने जो आउट परफॉर्म किया है, showing their strong result over the other consumption oriented stocks. Sales and profit. Titan reported 24.55% year on year sales growth and 50.5% profit growth. Kalyan Jewelers showed 31.49% sales growth and 48.5% profit growth. Most selected players reported 8 out of 9 reported exceptionally good quarterly numbers, indicating the industry might be entering a new growth phase. This sustained momentum, the momentum is expected to sustain, even improving during the busy festive and wedding seasons, September to December, March quarter, which are peak demand periods. Strong long growth. 5-year profit growth. Companies like Titan, Kalyan, P.N. Gadgil, and have shown 5-year compounded profit growth. 3 years profit growth. The average 3 years profit growth for across the company is around 48 to 49%, with large players like Titan and Kalyan also showing good sales and good profit growth. Factors for the future growth: good monsoons, increasing consumer spending, strong wedding seasons, steady gold prices, and the overall wealth effect are expected to drive significant growth for the jewelry companies over the next 3 to 5 years. Valuations. High growth prospect, de-risked business model, especially for the quality companies, led to the high valuations. Titan and the Kalyan Jewelers, they are valuing with the high multiples because of their continuously high growth prospect. Titan trades at a very expensive price to earning multiple of 85 times, 86 times the P multiple. This is attributed to its phenomenal track record, trusted in Tata Group, and world class corporate governance and the legendary trust factor. Other valuations: Kalyan Jeweler and Thanga Mill also trades at the reach valuations. Regional players जो होते हैं, Senco Gold है, Motisons है, TBJ है, Radha are available at the slightly जो है वो lower valuations जो है वो. Risk factor. While long term prospects are promising, several risks exist. The industry is highly regulated. New regulation like mandating PAN number or check for the purchases could impact the sales. Cash transaction. Significant portion of the jewelry purchase in India is still made in cash, which raises transparency concern for the investor. While listed companies are improving transparency, the largely unorganized sector still faces the issues. Gold prices movement. A sudden spike in the gold prices over few weeks or month can subdue the demand, as customer may choose to wait and watch, treating jewelry as a discretionary spending. This has historically affected revenues and the profitability in the specific quarter. Competition. The industry is highly competitive, requiring continuously innovations in design to stay ahead. Inventory management, there is a risk of stock obsolescence if designs are not popular and if new fashion trends emerge, making existing stocks unsellable. Effective inventory management is a very crucial for this sector. Regional players face high risk because their business model is regionally focused. Any geopolitical event, economic drought, downturn, specific local issues like elections in their operating region can directly impact their sales. Also, smaller companies' new listing might have corporate governance as a questions mark. Titan is the declared leader. It is credited with the building the entire organized jewelry industry from the scratch, creating a huge track record, setting up excellence business system, and other players have followed. Reason for Titan selects a industry pioneer, first organized player, strong track record, phenomenal growth and value creations, diversified business. While Titan is also in watches, hai, eyewear, other fashion products, jewelry drives 90% of its top line and the bottom line. Nifty company, it's a nifty company expected to grow 7 to 25% for the long period. Second जो है वो कल्याण ज्वेलर, highly commendable for its pan India presence, strong brand, well managed business and effective advertising strategy. The stock has outperformed recently. Investor might consider it during corrections. Regional players, while individual regional players like Senco Gold showing strong quarterly result performance, the result may not be consistently outstanding. However, their long-term growth prospects are good, but they carry risk due to smaller size, potential corporate governance issues, and the regional business focuses. सो मेन कंक्लूजन क्या है कि इंडिया का जो ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री है, दो एंशियंट टाइम इज वन ऑफ द टेक ऑफ ड्यू टू द ग्रोथ ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइज्ड प्लेयर्स which currently hold only one third of the market share but expected to reach 60 to 70% in the few years. This shifted combined with strong demand drivers, robust financial performance and present a very positive road map for the organized player जो है. ठीक है, तो यहीं तक रखते हैं. थैंक यू.